In this video, we will be going to learn the basic syntax of the HTML. So the basic syntax of the HTML looks like this. And at first we will be writing its version, that is doc type HTML, which represents that the present website, which represents the browser that the HTML we are using is the HTML5 version. So inside that we will be having HTML tag, and in HTML we will be having tags. All of the element will be inside the tags. So complete website, whatever the content or the tag, that will be inside this HTML tag. So inside that we will be having two tags, that is head and body. So actually the head is like our brain, so we can't see our brain, so but it has really very more functionalities and more power. So in the head we can include the CSS file and then JavaScript file, so we can add some more functionality to our website by linking inside the head tag. And in body tag, whatever our body organs which we can see, that are come under our body. So similarly the content of the website will be coming under this body tag. So this is how the basic syntax of HTML is there. So let me just go and create a HTML file in my local disk, and just let me show the first website by just entering hello, welcome to Career Consult. Just I am going to enter that, and we will be having a simple web page with content that hello, welcome to Career Consult. So let's get started and let's build that. For that we will open the Sublime Text, and I have also shown how to install Sublime Text. Is really very easy, so you can just watch it and please install this, because complete coding we will be doing in this text editor. So I am just going to create a folder here. So what you have to do is just go to the file explorer and just select any of the disk, whether it be C or D or whatever the disk. So just go there and just go and create a new folder here. To create a new folder, you can just press on the new here and you can create a new folder. So you can just create a new folder. So I am just creating new folder, Career Consult. So I have created this folder. So now this folder is empty. So now I am going to the Sublime Text and I am going to the file and I am just clicking the open folder. So now I am going to the location where I created the folder. So this is the website, this is the folder which I have created. So I am just selecting the Career Consult. So a new window will be opened. There is no file inside this, so I need to create a file of HTML. So I am just going to select new file here, and I will just save it as index.html. So please note that for each and every HTML file there is a necessity for you to add the extension there .html. So it should be there in each and every HTML page. I will explain why you need to name it as index.html in my upcoming videos in the course. So it has some specific meaning, so I will explain that in the later in the video. So I have just created saved that index.html in the folder. So here I am going to write the HTML syntax, which I said doc type HTML, which represent HTML5 version, and then HTML. So in Sublime Text, if you just press HTML, then whole template will come of the HTML. So well, you are beginner, I don't recommend you to use this, but if you are doing some project, then if you need that in a hurry, then you can just use this templates and it will be really easy. So if you just go on here, doc type HTML will reach the HTML5 version, and HTML, as I said, each and every content should be inside the HTML tag, and after that we will be having the head, and inside head we are having title. So if I just save this, so I need to open this web page in my browser. So what I have to do? So I have to just go to the location where it is present, and I just need to press that, and it will open in the browser. So I have made the default browser as Chrome, so it is opening in the Chrome. So you can see here it is having some path here. So this is the path where our folder is located and it is in the local. So there is no content here. The reason because, as I said, we haven't included any of the content inside the body. So if I just include any of the content inside the title HTML, so I just save this. So you need to save each and every time when you are updating your code, because without changing it won't reflect in the web browser. So I'm just going to refresh this. So you can see here there are no changes anywhere in the website, but there is a change here. So if I just remove this, so you can see here, let's compare this. So I'm just saving this. Sorry, I'm just saving this and I'm just refreshing the page. So you can see here it is having the name of the file. So when I just go and change, update the title with HTML, it will be presented here. So the use of the title is here in order to present the data here. You can see the website of the tutorials points. You can see online HTML compiler. This has been written by using HTML. So it has been written by using the title which is inside this head. So now there is no content in our web page. So I am just going to create a content. Hello, welcome to Career Consult. So I'm just saving this and I'm just going to refresh my page. So here is our first web page. So congratulations for creating a simple web page. So in my next videos in the course, you will be learning about how to add image and links and how to add an order list and order list. So all of that we will be learning in the next upcoming videos in the course.